Hello, welcome back to Igam Ogam. I'm John, and I haven't been around for a while, so as any of the subscribers will know. So anyway, this is the story. So this is the van transporter. So this is how it is at the moment. You'll have seen this in my last video. So story. Just after the last video, I the same week stripped all the front end off. This upper thing, whatever it is, all the radiator. Pulled the engine out, and I changed the cam belt and the clutch flywheel kit. Never done one before. Did it all by myself. Didn't video any of it. Just trying to do it in between loads of other things. And it's been hectic with just life and work. So anyway, I've got some time this week, some time tonight, so I'm going to try and get it. I'll show you what's left to do. Still got these to connect up to somewhere. I think they're header tank, them three. Still got the air pipes to put on, that one. Got the intercooler to put back on. These power steering need connecting to the power steering cooler. Battery obviously needs to go back in, the plastic bit that goes in here. All this wiring that's hanging down on the side of the van here, all that needs sorting, going back in. So hopefully I can get all that done tonight. Battery on, start the van up, bleed the cooling system, bleed the power steering system, check the clutch, everything like that works. Then I can put the wheels back on, under tray back on, lower it down, make sure it drives, and then it'll be a few other little jobs, and then it'll be try and get an MOT on it. So just thought I'd give you an update. So I'll do as much as I can tonight, get a video out, and then we'll carry on the progress after that. Right then, we're about half an hour later. So as you can see, I've got the intercooler on now. The header tank, I forgot about that. It's the pipe for the washer fill thing, and it joins down there. That was a bit of a pain to do. Done the power steering cooler pipes now. I need to open it first. Put some power steering fluid in here. It's got a bit in, so I'll start bleeding it and I'm sure that'll go down. There was one plug, I didn't know what it did down there, but it joins onto this pipe, which is why obviously, because I didn't have the pipe in, didn't know where it went. Connected the new header tank because it came up with a fault on the dash, so there's no water. Apparently the sensors in these are quite common, and it was only like 30 quid, so it's worth just doing. I've run these cables and put the bonnet hatch back on. I've got this cable which I can't remember where it clips in. It's got this thing on here, which I presume is like a crash switch or something like that. So I'll have a look if I can work out where it fits on afterwards. So right, so next thing is to fill it with coolant, put the battery in, and we'll go for the first start. I have had the filter disconnected, diesel filter and stuff, so it might take a while to start going through, but we'll see. I'll get on with that and I'll cut it back in. Right then, cheated a little bit. The battery in, top the water up and coolant, and my GoPro battery died. So I have tried to start it, but I will bear in mind now I've never changed the cam belt before. It's a bit daunting for this first start sort of thing. So yeah, so basically what I did was primed the fuel pump a couple of times, fired straight up. Sorry if it's a little bit noisy, but yeah, there we go. So I'll just turn it off. And also the new bottle has fixed the water flashing light that was coming up. So yeah, I'm super happy, and I've really enjoyed doing this job, to be honest with you. Everything came apart super easy, considering it's what, 15 years old now. Not a single bolt broke. It was great. I ended up changing the front engine mount. All the others were okay. It's recently had the service. It will be having another one soon, but I want to start using it first. There's loads and loads of little jobs I want to do before I start using it. So so yeah, I'll end this video there. I'm super happy with that. Super happy with that. I found out where this cable goes. It just goes on the top here. So I'm super happy, and we will probably have another update for you, hopefully by the weekend or start next week. Quick test drive, putting all the front end back on, and I'll book it in for an MOT, and hopefully we get a pass. So yeah, please give the video a thumbs up, give it a like. Really helps with algorithms and all that YouTube stuff. And yeah, if you want to see more on this van or on my other project, the low cost, which is still sat on there, then subscribe to the channel. Little update on MX-5, sorry to waffle on. That is getting scrapped. I tried to get it ready for an auto test, but the window stopped working, and I serviced the gearbox and it's still not going into first and reverse properly, so that is getting scrapped. So some little bits will be put on the kit car. But yeah, like and subscribe. See you next time.